DJI is back to shake up the world of ultralight drones with an exciting new challenger, the DJI Flip. With its cutting-edge design and innovative features, the Flip is here to turn heads. But can it dethrone the reigning champion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro? Both drones sit comfortably in the sub-249G category, keeping things simple for most recreational pilots. However, weight isn't the only factor that sets them apart. These two powerhouses are built for very different priorities. Let's dive into this epic face-off and find out which one deserves the crown of the ultimate lightweight drone. When it comes to design, the DJI Flip truly breaks the mold with its innovative folding mechanism. Unlike conventional drones, its propellers fold inward, not only giving it a futuristic aesthetic, but also serving a practical purpose. Folding the propellers powers the drone on and off automatically. This feature, paired with its slightly bulkier build, enhances stability during flight, especially in breezy conditions. However, that bulk comes with a trade-off. Even when folded, the Flip is larger than the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro's ultra-lightweight and compact design is tailored for maximum portability, making it easy to carry and store. Weighing under 250 grams, it bypasses strict aviation regulations in many countries, including registration requirements in the US for recreational pilots. In terms of usability, both drones cater to different audiences. The Flip offers a controller-free mode, allowing pilots to operate it using gestures or a smartphone. A perfect fit for casual users seeking hassle-free flights. Meanwhile, the Mini 4 Pro sticks to the classic twin-stick controller, providing precise, intuitive controls suited for both beginners and advanced maneuvers. When we dive into camera capabilities, the two drones take distinct approaches. The DJI Flip records 4K video at 100 FPS and captures 12 megapixel stills, making it a solid choice for social media content. However, its vertical video mode relies on cropping the sensor, reducing the resolution to 2.7K, a potential drawback for creators aiming for high-quality vertical shots. The Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, excels with its superior 1x1.3-inch 48-megapixel quad-Bayer sensor. It offers 4K at 100 FPS and supports 10-bit D-Log-M recording, providing creators with greater dynamic range and flexibility during post-production. Ultimately, both drones bring unique strengths to the table. The Flip impresses with its innovative design and simplicity, while the Mini 4 Pro stands out for its portability and professional-grade features. Deciding which is better depends on what matters most to you: cutting-edge convenience or refined performance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes vertical video to the next level with its ability to physically rotate the camera, maintaining full 4K resolution for stunning vertical shots. In low-light situations, the Mini 4 Pro pulls ahead thanks to its dual native ISO and night mode, which delivers sharp, clear footage with minimal noise. While the DJI Flip performs well in good lighting, the Mini 4 Pro's advanced image processing makes it the preferred choice for professional videographers and photographers. For beginners, the DJI Flip shines with intuitive flight modes like Spotlight and Follow, making it easy to track subjects and capture dynamic selfies or quick-action shots. Its enclosed propeller design adds a layer of safety and makes it less intimidating in crowded areas. However, the Flip's obstacle avoidance system is limited, with LiDAR sensors covering only the front. This leaves the sides and rear unprotected, requiring pilots to exercise caution in tight or complex environments. In contrast, the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system is a game-changer. With sensors covering every angle, forward, backward, upward, downward, and sideways, it ensures a nearly crash-proof experience, even during autonomous flights. Using Active Track 360, the Mini 4 Pro can follow moving subjects like cars or boats while maintaining perfect framing and avoiding obstacles. Wind resistance is another area where the Mini 4 Pro excels. Its lightweight, aerodynamic design and advanced stabilization make it more reliable in breezy conditions, whereas the Flip's bulkier build can struggle slightly. Both drones offer similar real-world flight times, clocking in at around 25 minutes. While the Flip's bulk affects its wind performance, it doesn't significantly impact battery life. Ultimately, the Mini 4 Pro is built for professionals and those who value advanced safety and versatility, while the Flip caters to casual pilots looking for simplicity and unique design features. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize professional-grade functionality or beginner-friendly innovation. Under normal circumstances, portability is where the Mini 4 Pro truly excels. Its compact size and lightweight design make it incredibly easy to take with you anywhere, whether you're trekking through the mountains or traveling internationally. The DJI Flip, while innovative with its folding mechanism, adds to its overall size and weight, making it less ideal for those who prioritize portability on the go. One area where the Flip stands out is its affordability. Starting at $439, it's significantly cheaper than the Mini 4 Pro, which starts at $759. Even the Flip's Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries and accessories, costs just $779, $320 less than the Mini 4 Pro's equivalent bundle. For budget-conscious buyers, the Flip offers outstanding value, balancing beginner-friendly features with solid performance at a fraction of the price. However, if you're looking for advanced capabilities such as omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, superior camera quality, and better wind resistance, the Mini 4 Pro justifies its higher price tag. Safety is always a key concern, especially for novice drone pilots. The Flip's enclosed propellers offer an extra layer of safety, reducing the risk of injury or property damage. This feature makes it a great option for flying in public spaces or close to people, as its design is less intimidating to bystanders. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro focuses on safety in a different way. Its advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system ensures safe navigation through complex environments and allows for cinematic shots without the worry of collisions. While it doesn't have enclosed propellers, its state-of-the-art sensors prevent crashes, providing peace of mind for pilots. Both the DJI Flip and Mini 4 Pro shine in their own right. The Flip's innovative design and beginner-friendly features make it a top choice for casual pilots, while the Mini 4 Pro sets the standard for pro-level performance, safety, and versatility in ultralight drones. The decision ultimately depends on what matters most to you. Whether you're after a fun, budget-friendly drone or cutting-edge performance and safety features. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards.